Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you dry beans, crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is friends, wall art crafts. We are turning simple dry beans into beautiful wall art. Yes, the same beans from your kitchen can create amazing handmade decor. First, we arrange the design on a cardboard base, then carefully glue each beans one by one, step by step, and plain surface transform into a stunning texture and artwork. This is not just craft, it's creative with nature's simplest material. And weavers flower design craft ideas. So friends, let's create a beautiful flower design using dry beans. We start by drawing a simple flower sketch on a sheet. Now we will each petal with different color beans. Slowly the designs come alive with texture and depth. This easy die craft is perfect for home decoration and the kids art project. Photo frame decoration. In this craft we are decorating a simple photo frame using dry beans. We apply a glue around the frame and carefully place beans to form a unique pattern. You can mix colors and shape for a creative look. In just a few minutes, a plain frame turns into a stylish handmade masterpiece. And weavers and friends, next idea is weavers home decoration craft. Let's turn simple dry beans into elegant home decor piece with just glue, cardboard and imagination. We can create stunning design for your wall or tables. This budget-friendly craft is perfect for adding a handmade touch to your home. And weavers, my next idea is friends,